Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. This is your latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 5th, 2013. Got some active weather moving into the region for the upcoming weekend, with the potential for some accumulating snow as our main hazard as we take a look over the next couple days. The primary area that we're expecting some accumulating snow to be over eastern upper Michigan. This is for Saturday, beginning Saturday morning, continuing through the day and lasting into Saturday night. The snow may mix with rain later in this period, but there's certainly the potential for some moderate accumulations of snow, so check back to later forecasts. Certainly some slick travel possible. There may even be some snow a little bit further south, right as we reach daybreak on Saturday, with some light accumulations, but precipitation over northern lower Michigan is expected to change over to all rain. Here's the weather map early this Friday morning. We see a sprawling area of high pressure moving from central Canada into the north central United States. That has pushed a cold front through the region late last night, and here's another one on its way through as we speak. Basically this is going to ensure a pretty quiet weather day as this high pressure builds into the region. However, temperatures will be quite chilly, likely 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year, with highs in most spots only reaching the mid-30s. We take a look at the weather map come Saturday morning. Here's low pressure taking shape over the central and northern plains, and that will move into the Great Lakes region during the day. Snow is expected to spread from west to east early Saturday morning, so even by the time you get up on Saturday, there may be a little bit of snow on the ground, particularly for areas west of I-75. That snow will continue and mix and change over to rain over northern lower, with snow continuing over eastern upper, and that's where the moderate accumulations are possible. If we look a little bit forward beyond that, that low pressure system will move east of the Great Lakes region, push a cold front to the south of our area, and this stationary boundary that's sitting here south of Michigan Monday morning, while we do expect somewhat drier air to try to push into the region, this battleground between warmer air to the south and cooler air to the north is going to allow for a couple of low pressure systems to move from west to east across it and likely impact us during next week. So we have multiple precipitation chances, most likely taking the form of rain as we work into our new work week. So we've got some accumulating snow possible on Saturday, but first things first, a couple flurries possible this morning near Lake Michigan, but otherwise chilly and sunny today, highs in the mid to upper 30s. There's that low pressure system moving through for Saturday and Saturday night with some accumulating snow north of its track, and then kind of unsettled weather as we move into the upcoming work week. Continued cool, but likely warm enough in most spots for primarily rain after we move past the Saturday system. So watch out, the main hazard again being the accumulating snow that's possible over eastern upper Michigan come Saturday and Saturday night. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks for listening in. The next scheduled update is expected around 5 p.m. this afternoon.